Hey guys, this is Chris Dominguez back with another sponsored ndau Enlighten video. In today's video, we go over step 3 in getting started with the ndau NFT Forge, which is logging in to the ndau NFT Forge using your BEASY wallet. ndau is the world's first adaptive digital currency. As a new category of digital asset, ndau is optimized for a long-term store of value with staking rewards and a goal of buoyancy. ndau provides all the benefits of a digital currency while promoting fair and accountable governance, dependability, and greater safety not found in existing cryptocurrencies. ndau is supported by a decentralized ecosystem designed with built-in economic structures that incentivize both stability and potential for growth. Simply holding ndau in the ndau wallet app allows you to earn additional ndau through ecosystem alignment incentives, as well as a bonus for locking your ndau. For example, you could be earning up to 25% ndau on a 3-year locked account in your wallet app. For more information, go to the ndau.io website. In today's video, we are going to review how to log into the ndau NFT Forge using your BEASY wallet. Now that you have some Matic in your BEASY wallet, you're ready to log into the ndau NFT Forge. Use your BEASY wallet to log into the ndau NFT Forge. First, open your BEASY wallet by going to wallet.justbeasyit.com and log in. You'll see the main NFT screen by default. Now open a new tab in your browser and go to the ndau NFT Forge homepage at nftforge.ndau.io. Click on the Connect Wallet button. A login QR code will appear. If you were using your BEASY wallet on your phone, you could scan this QR code with your phone's camera. But in this example, we're using the BEASY wallet on the same desktop browser as the ndau NFT Forge. So click on Copy to Clipboard to copy your login QR code to your clipboard. Go to the tab in your browser that has your BEASY wallet and click on the QR code scan icon in the top right. Click on the clipboard icon to paste your login QR code into your wallet and then click the submit button. A pop-up message will appear in your BEASY wallet indicating that you are now logged in to the ndau NFT Forge. Go back to the ndau NFT Forge tab in your browser. Since this is your first time logging in, you need to complete the registration process. Click on the Register as a Creator button. Now, the ndau NFT Forge, you can now walk through a brief overview of the key features of the Forge. Advance through the overview by clicking the next button until the end and enjoy the learning process. In my upcoming videos, we will continue to go through step by step how to get started with the ndau NFT Forge. If you'd like more information, go to the ndau.io website, as well as like and subscribe for another weekly ndau Enlighten video. If you haven't done so already, download the most updated version of the ndau wallet and write a review. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Have a great day and keep stacking ndau.